Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Wednesday, March 25th. It is the day before Air Max Day. It is my brother Michael's birthday. Been about a week and a half since I've been on the channel. COVID-19 has been running rampant here in Philadelphia, more importantly throughout the country, most importantly throughout the whole world. And, you know, it is hindered my sneaker buying experience. It has hindered my day-to-day life. It has hindered everybody's day-to-day life. But this is a sneaker channel. We're here to talk sneakers. And, you know, I come on here every so often to try to escape reality. That is why I do these sneaker reviews. Whether I'm on YouTube or not, I'm going to buy sneakers. I'm going to collect sneakers. I'm going to support the local mom and pop sneaker shops that I support. And, you know, it should be singular, not plural. I really only shop at one store here in Philadelphia. And that is kind of full circle to where we're going here. We have a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with the unboxing, the review. We're going to get into the on foot. I'm hoping to get outside. It has been an overcast, rainy day, and it's damn near 7 p.m. So I'm not exactly sure if we're going to get the on foot done outside or if it will be conducted here in the sneaker room. But like I said, this is coming full circle because this is a pair of sneakers that not only would I have been purchasing these in-store at Lapstone Hammer, they are actually a collaboration done with Lapstone Hammer and a major sneaker brand. So without further ado, you know the drill. You know why you're here. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Saucony times Lapstone Hammer Courageous in this black and sand colorway. They released two different colorways. There was the black sand and then there was the bone white. Both actually released early. There was like an early raffle for frequent shoppers of past Lapstone Hammer collaborations and past Lapstone Hammer exclusives. They actually go on sale to the general public this coming weekend, I believe. I'll have to fact check, but lapstonehammer.com, and you know, you can find out all your details there. As you guys know, I am an avid shopper at Lapstone Hammer. Most of my sneaker reviews come from Lapstone Hammer. We've gone over this countless times. You know, they make you feel like family in there. They are very, very close to my work. And I have formed what I would like to believe is genuine friendships with most of the staff and, you know, and Brian, the owner. So when sneakers are coming at local shops, I try to go there. It's not just for limited releases. It's not just for raffles. I buy all of my GRs at Lapstone Hammer if they are carrying them. There's been times I've actually passed on sneakers because Lapstone wasn't carrying them. And, you know, I just try to live my life as a very loyal person. And I feel like when a store treats you like such family like they do, you should try to reciprocate. It's not to men pick favorites or to throw shots at other sneaker stores. It's just that it's a genuine, friendly, fun, at-home type atmosphere when you shop there. The Courageous is an old silhouette from Saucony that they actually let Lapstone Hammer like dive into the vault and remaster. This moccasin toe box is just straight butter. And what we've come to know from Lapstone Hammer and Saucony is they don't, you know, skip on quality. They don't skip on materials used. The suede on this is butter. The leather around the ankle, super, super milky. You got wool Sherpa on the tongue. Lapstone Hammer branding on the outside of the tongue. You have this dope purple lace lock. You have moccasin type laces. They actually do give you a couple other lace options and a couple other lace locks. Lapstone Hammer branding on the purple insole. Hints of purple throughout part of the midsole. And then this like wood grain type midsole, which is just a nice touch. And subtle details, you guys know if you watch videos on this channel, subtle details always rope me in. And at first, I actually wanted the bone colorway. And, you know, you did a raffle online for early entries. You could enter for either pair, both pair, one pair, whatever you want to do. I entered for both. I hit on these, but they are doing another raffle for this coming weekend. So I'm definitely entering in for the bone. Hopefully I hit on them and I can give you guys a review on that once they come in. Back to what I was saying about hindering my sneaker experience is Lapstone Hammer is currently closed. because of the whole city of Philadelphia being shut down by this COVID-19. So this is definitely a pair of sneakers that I wish I would have been able to go in store and purchase myself and just feel the whole experience of buying Lapstone Hammer sneaker at Lapstone Hammer. But, you know, with the whole thing going on, we had to order online. I had to wait for them to ship. The raffle was last Friday. They shipped over the weekend. They came in today, which is Wednesday, and I was just very excited to get these. This is probably the first pair of sneakers of 2020 that, like, was a must for me. And when Brian first started rocking the samples last year, it was like, I just couldn't wait for these to actually release. And I know, without, you know, getting into too much stuff that doesn't concern me, you know, the store being closed during this time, you know, it really sucks for Brian and everybody over at Lapstone Hammer. You know, the staff, they're missing out on this whole rollout event of this experience, and, you know, it just would have been dope, because I know they would have had a super dope event planned for this. Everything that they do, every capsule they release, there's always a great party, and, you know, it just, I feel for the staff, and I feel mostly, you know, for Brian, that with doing something like this and missing out on the chance to, like, mingle with the customers and mingle with the people that support Lapstone Hammer over the years, I just know that really hurts him. And, you know, I just feel bad for the whole staff that they haven't been able to do this. Back to the sneaker. This was a pair that I absolutely had to get. With every Saucony, I always go true to size. I'm an 8.5 in every other Saucony. I went with an 8.5 in these. I did try them on briefly before getting into this video, and they definitely fit like most other Sauconys do. So if you are new to Saucony, I would go with whatever size you wear in Nike. I'm an 8.5 in Nike. I'm an 8.5 in these. If you are a frequent or occasional Saucony aficionado, I would definitely go with the size you usually go with Saucony. But $150 price point, that rigid gum bottom, just super, super dope. And like I said, the quality of the materials used on these is bananas. The only thing, if I could find a gripe with this sneaker, and I am nitpicking, I mean really nitpicking, is with the wool and the suede on the side. This sneaker is definitely more of a fall winter type sneaker. So I'm going to put them on. I'm going to put a little bit of miles on these boys, and they're probably going to go back on ice until like September, October, you know, if COVID-19 ever leaves the city of Philadelphia. Well, that's it, guys. One last look. I'm going to go bang out this on foot. I will have some B-roll footage going across, some pictures that I took, and like I said, lapstonehammer.com. With the shop being closed, I'm sure they could use, you know, all the support and love that they could get. So, you know, as always, their link is down in the description of my video. They, as of this morning, like late this morning, they still had the Mist Yeezy 380 sitting on their site. So if you're looking to cop a pair, go check lapstonehammer.com. They may still have some in stock. And, you know, if not, just give a tour to their website, tour their Instagram. All their social will be down below as well. And that's it. We're going to go bang out this on foot. I'll be back later this weekend with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Richie Ruckus Beats.